Watch this video till end because with the 5 tips I will give you a bonus tip which is the cumulative of all the 5 tricks which I showed you. Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Finstakes. In this video I am going to give you 5 tips which one should consider before putting their money in stock market. Stock market is a place where you can put your money in different type of ways. For example, you can do intratrade, you can do BTST, that is buy today sell tomorrow. You can do a long term trading, which basically means actually swing trading, or you can go long, that is a investment of 2 to 3 years. This video basically focuses on selection of stocks which you will invest for a long term. For example, if you are buying those stocks today, then you should forget about those stocks for the next 3 years or next 2 years. I won't recommend you any stocks. I will give you the 5 suggestions or 5 most sought tips which one sees before buying a particular stock. Number 1, buying time or selling time. For example, the market is doing very well now. Suppose, like hypothetically, if a market is doing very well, you bought a stock when the market was at its peak, and from then the market started to decline. You will lose all your money because why? Because you entered the market when it was at its peak. You have to identify, you have to enter when the market is at its low, and you have to sell your stocks, or you have to exit when market is at its high. How to know the market is at its low or high? We can say that if news channels or if the so-called financial channels show that the market is doing very well and the market is going up, one should invest, then it's the best time you should not invest, because the market is already up, it can go anytime down. Now there are times when those channels will say that yeah, the economy is crashing or the market is going down, and like you all will lose your money. That's the time when you invest, because after 2 or 3 years the market will revive. That's an example of how 2008 crisis happened, and after that within a year 34% to 35% returns generated within a year in USA. Like the unemployment rate was the highest. Now the second tip is don't worry about economy. Suppose at the present time in the COVID-19 pandemic situation, the stock market went low and after that it revived back. Now what you can see is that within the pandemic, where people were losing their jobs, all the news channels were like totally focused on the economy is destroyed, everything is destroyed. But yeah, the stock market went up, and like the traders or the investors, they gained a huge amount of returns. For a particular stock, if I say, I don't remember, that particular stock went up to 45%. It gave 45% returns. Like I never invested in that stock, but yeah, I just saw the graph and I saw it gave 45% returns within a span of 2 months. You can see that a particular pandemic or such type of situation can make you more rich if you know how to utilize your money. Now for what we can see is that the entire economy is going down, but the stock market is doing totally opposite. If you are a retail trader, don't compare the country's situation or country's economy with trading. Those are two totally different things. If you are a retail trader, if you are a very big investor, then things go differently. Now the third tip is never compromise on quality. Quality of stocks play a very crucial role in one's profit and loss balance sheet. A 500 rupees stock, you buy it at 600 or 700, like you bought it overpriced, then how can you imagine of being getting profit out of that? How to know if a stock is overpriced or underpriced, and how to know if the stock is a good quality stock? You can check its fundamentals, you can check the sales, you can check the profit, you can check the depth, how much that company has taken. The fourth tip is that invest in stocks which you understand. Like for example, suppose you are from a finance sector, so invest in those financial companies or those banks whose employee you are. Like suppose you work in SBI, you know the working condition of SBI, you know it's India's largest private bank, or sorry, India's largest public sector bank. So it's most probably that in future years the stocks are going to get up. For example, don't go and buy pharma stocks, because those, you don't know how pharma industry works. You are not in that industry. Suppose you are in the automobile industry, buy automobile stocks, buy stocks which you understand. You know that, yeah, this company is doing very well in the market, people are liking its cars, its stock price will go up because the demand is up. Now the fifth tip is, don't invest someone else's money. Like if you are starting, never take loan for investing. Invest only if you have your own money. If you don't have, then learn investing and wait for your turn. Wait for you to do a job or a business and have some generated capital, and then start investing. But don't invest someone else's money, or don't invest money taken on as loan, or any sort of like bootstrapping, because the time when you have to return that money to those people, and if by chance market gets down, then all your money is gone. So don't take that risk. If you want to do trading, do paper trading, you will learn very much. Now the bonus tip, don't put all your money in a single basket, because a 5 points fall in a particular stock and you have put all your money in that stock means your portfolio is going totally downwards. Diversify your stocks, yeah, but don't over diversify. One cannot select 30 to 40 stocks. I have seen many people who have 30 to 40 stocks in their portfolio, and their 20 stocks are doing profit and 20 stocks are doing loss, and it's like they are earning the same amount of money which one can earn through FD. So yeah, invest in 10 to 15 stocks, invest in quality stocks, and out of those 10 to 15, aim that out of 15, minimum 10 to 11 stocks you get a profit. And yeah, a marginal profit, because you are investing for a large term. Thank you if you have watched till here, and please do like and